iPhone Snapchat login error fix. Now if you want to fix the login error on iPhone on Snapchat, right? So if you've been logging in and trying to open Snapchat, you tap the login button but not being able to do so. This could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First of all, basic check. Make sure your internet connection is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. After you've done that, you can simply try to offload the app on iPhone. Open up settings, then you want to go to general, go to iPhone storage. Over here you can simply search for Snapchat, then offload the app and reinstall the app, and also update the Snapchat application from your app store. Even after you do all this and you're still not being able to log in, then chances are simply that you have been entering an incorrect credentials. So make sure that your username, email or phone number as well as your password is also correct. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on this little I button right here next to password in order to view the password and tap on login. If in case you happen to forget your password, then you can also tap on this button that says forgot your password. Then after that you can choose to reset your credentials as well. And that's all it takes for you to fix the Snapchat login error on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.